Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I have introduced Chinese consonants and Chinese tongues to you. They are the basis of Chinese pronunciation. And from today's video, I will start to introduce you Chinese vowels. Because in 90% situation, the pronunciation of a Chinese word consists of Chinese consonants and Chinese vowels. For example, the pronunciation of 笔 is Chinese consonants 波 plus Chinese vowels 一。OK，话不多说 ，Let's go. They are the most simple 6 vowels. In Chinese, we call them 单韵母 single vowel, and they are also the basis of Chinese vowels. So, you know what I mean? Yes, they're important. Today, I will introduce them one by one. To pronounce a, you need to open your mouth bigger and put your tongue not in your mouth. Then we practice a, to pronounce o. At first, you need to round your lips and hold back your tongue and then raise the back of your tongue, but not too high. For example, this is your mouth and this is your tongue. First, hold back your tongue and then raise the back of your tongue, but not too high. Okay, let's practice. O, O, O. To pronounce you don't need to round your lips. And the only difference compared with O is this one. Don't need to round your lips. Because the tongue position is the same as O. Hold back your tongue and raise the back of your tongue, but not too high. Let's practice. To pronounce E, for your lips, you need to spread wide your lips, like. And for your tongue position, I will use my hand to explain to you. This is your mouth, and this is your under front teeth, and this is your tongue. First, pull the tip of your tongue down behind the bottom front teeth, and then raise the front part of your tongue close to the roof of your mouth. Then you can pronounce E. Okay, let's practice. E, E, E. To pronounce U, for your lips, you also need to round your lips. So firstly, round your lips. And for your tongue position, actually is similar with O. The only difference is the back of your tongue raising is higher than O. So firstly, hold back of your tongue and raising the back of your tongue higher than O, just close to the roof of your mouth. Let's practice. U, U, U. To pronounce U, for your lips, you also need to round your lips, like this. And for the tongue position, I also use my hand to show you. This is your mouth, and this is your under front teeth. So firstly, put your tip of your tongue down behind the bottom front teeth and raising the front part of your tongue close to the roof of your mouth, like this, which is also similar with E. Let's practice. Ü, ü, ü. Finally, I will use these vowels with Chinese consonants to form Chinese words. For example,
爸波啊爸怕坡啊怕父 f 物父突特乌突哥哥哥
Okay, that's for today's video and see you next time. Bye!